Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO Y72 and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So anyway, let's number one take off the cover if you have one on, and from there you want to pop out the tray, which looks to be located at the top of the device, and for that you will need a SIM eject tool. So this comes provided with the device, so you can get it from the box, or you could also just use a paper clip, straighten one on the ends, and it should work just as well. From there, simply push the pin in and the tray pops out just ever slightly. And once you take it out, you will have space for either two different SIM cards or one SIM card and one SD card. If you're planning to use one of each, you would just place the SIM on the SD tray just sideways. But because I'm using one of each, I'm just gonna move it over. There we go, and then insert it back in. As you can see, there's nothing really holding those cards in place, so they do fall out really easily. Okay, so as you can see, SIM card is already working. It's requiring a pin for it. And SD card is working as well, which you can see right over here. So that is how you insert SIM and SD card into this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.